Hi, welcome to Blooms in the Yard. Today we're doing blooms in the house for a change. I haven't done any floral arrangements since I started this channel. I'm certainly not an expert, but I do think it's fun every once in a while. And since we've got, I think, 42 degrees coming this weekend, I thought this is a good time to start cutting the last of my blooms, especially my dahlias. And actually the dahlias will be fine until it freezes, but I just thought it would be fun to make an arrangement. My plan is to do eucalyptus, dahlia, lots of dahlias. I have a little bit of salvia left, and Gomphrena. Got lots of Gomphrena, so it's going to be in the purples, and then that eucalyptus with that it's like a smoky blue. Love that eucalyptus color. Just a lazy morning making a fun bouquet for inside the house. I decided to start with the Gomphrena to kind of give everything else something to poke into and stand up. When I first put this dahlia in, it just wanted to lay down. So I've never taken any floral arranging classes. That's something that's really, I would love to do. But in the meantime, I'm just figuring it out as I go. For this arrangement, I used the Lilac Thyme Dahlia, the Cream de Cassis Dahlia, Silver Dollar Eucalyptus, Sirius Blue Salvia, and the Audrey Purple Red Gomphrena. Silver Dollar Eucalyptus was from Johnny's, the Sirius Blue Salvia was from Baker Creek, and the Audrey Purple Red Gomphrena was from Johnny's. It's an alternative to the QIS Purple, which I guess gets sold out a lot, and it's supposed to maybe get a little bit taller, but the color seems to be about the same. So it really worked out well for this arrangement because it had nice long stems.